how to save and open WPS file in Word. And okay guys, here in your WPS Office homepage, okay, go to menu on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, click this and you can see here this save as. Okay, here in save as, okay, you can save a copy of document into WPS Writer document, WPS Writer template, WPS Word 97 2003 document, Microsoft Word 97 2003 template, or you can save into Microsoft Word document. And also you can save other format. So for my example, in this tutorial, I will show you how to save into Microsoft Word document. Okay, you can select this and click this. And now you can see here the file names. The file name is new document and the file type is Microsoft Word document. So you can click this and you can change also here the file type, and I decide to save into Microsoft Word document. And okay guys, to save, okay, you'll have to do is click the save button on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have successfully saved the WPS file in Word. So okay, we have to open the file. Okay, here the file, so you can open in Word. Okay, double click and that's it. Okay, we have successfully saved and opened WPS file in Word.